Hey guys, this is Dan at yourpbfriend.com. We have here the new Bob Long Vis. We're shooting it with the new Vis engine. We're going to try to do a little bit of an efficiency video for you today and see what the pods are. This thing's right out of the box at factory settings. If you can see right here, we're at 2900 PSI on a 68 fill. We're going to shoot it on ramping, and let's begin. There we go, just started dropping off here. Yep, there we go, it's dropped off. So let's see what we have left. So about a half a pod left. 7.5. So we got 7.5 pods off of a 29,000 fill. One thing I'd say when shooting it right there, it really didn't drop off until the last second. When it started dropping off those last 2 or 3 shots, it just dropped off hard. So this was shooting the same distance the whole time until the very end, which is real nice. Another great thing that just really stands out on the Vis engine is it is super gentle on paint. Very fragile paint. In the cold, we've done tests and it just shoots it beautifully. But yeah, it's a great gun. If you notice, it kind of sputtered a little bit. That was due to the Spire just not feeding them properly. We've been having problems with that. But yeah, the new Bob Long Vis at yourpbfriend.com. It's a great gun, both the spool and the poppet. Thanks.